Hot End Heating Assembly Replacement Guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the tool head front cover by pinching near the bottom and lifting up and out. With the hot end at room temperature, remove the silicone sock. Press the filament cutting lever to cut any filament that may be attached to the hot end. Then remove the hot end by undoing its latch. Use your hand or a prying tool to remove the tool head rear housing as shown. Remove the 4 screws securing the extruder unit. Slide the right side wire cover backwards to remove it. Unplug the hot end heating assembly connector. Slightly move the extruder unit away from the tool head, but leave it in place. Remove the 3 screws securing the hot end heating assembly. Remove the heating assembly by carefully removing the wire from the channel. Align the hot end heating assembly and secure it with the 3 screws. Route the cable through the channel as shown. Make sure the wires are in place and won't be pinched. Realign the extruder unit and fasten its 4 screws. Slide the right side wire cover from the back to install it. Plug in the hot end heating assembly connector. Replace the tool head rear cover by aligning the top first, then rotating it down until it clicks into place. Install the hot end, lock its latch, and replace the silicone sock. Reinstall the tool head front cover. To verify success, ensure the hot end heats normally. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.